Now we are going to create a WBS. The WBS is a work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure means you have to divide a complex project into small, manageable, small projects so that it can be easily managed and it can be easily planned. So there are two options to create the WBS. One, I have told you earlier in the general interface introduction that this is the WBS icon. Simply you can click on this button. You will enter into the WBS field. Here on the right side, this is the Gantt chart for the WBS, and the below one is the details regarding WBS. The other way to open the WBS is simply go to the project and then WBS. Same, this window will be appeared. So there are two options to open the WBS window. Here we have to divide the project into sub levels into smaller manageable packages. For example, we have a project in which we have planned engineering, procurement, construction, commissioning. So it means that our project is EPC. So first of all, we have to be familiar with the scope. Depending upon the scope, we can define the WBS. For the definition of the WBS, we should read the BOQ drawings so that we can divide the project into appropriate appropriate areas, disciplines, zones, etc. Now we are going to add the WBSs. You can see on the right side there is a plus button. So simply clicking on the plus button, you will add a new line item. So here you can see that the sequence is being followed by the previous number. This is it's a parent-child relationship, or in other words, you can call it as a uh, tree relationship. So here you can also change your project name in the WBS main WBS level. Whatever you have defined the project, it will be coming at the top of the WBS. So here we are going to define our WBS. So first of all, we are going to define the milestone WBS. You can also use the insert key for the addition of the new line item of WBS. So first of all, we have defined the milestone WBS. Now you can see that this WBS comes under this level. So by using this navigation key, we can adjust or we can move right, left, up and down according to the situation. So after milestone, we are going to define engineering WBS. Then we are going to define procurement WBS. Then construction commissioning. So major our project is defined in this sequence: engineering, procurement, construction, and commissioning. Now we will divide the engineering WBS into further detail. We will click on the engineering WBS, click the plus button. It will divide. It will come under its heading. So we are going to define first level as a general engineering. General items will be discussed in this WBS. Then architecture, equipment, piping, electrical, instrumentation. So our engineering is divided into general architecture, civil equipment, piping, and electrical. Now coming to the procurement, there is no subdivision of procurement. This only one head will remain as it is. Now coming to the construction, construction is divided into our general, mechanical, civil, electrical, and instrumentation. So I will add the WBS in the construction heading. So first of all, general, then civil, mechanical. Now mechanical is further divided into two subheads. One is the equipment and other is the pipe. So they will come parallel but under the mechanical. Now we have to define the electrical instrumentation parallel to the mechanical. So I will click on mechanical add button. I will take it down and move it to the left side. Now it's coming parallel to mechanical, electrical, and then instrumentation. And commissioning WBS will remain as it is. So the WBS has been defined here. Now we can add some columns here as well. I will show you here by going into the columns field and then customize. Here you can see there are different options which you can add in the column field. So here I am going to add the WBS path. So if you don't know where wherever required information is available, so we can just simply click on available options and find. Here I will write WBS path. So I will click next. It will automatically go there. So I will take it to the right side by simply clicking on arrow, and here you will move where you want to show this column. So after clicking OK, you can see here the WPS path has